We're pulling the engine on the Subaru here. The old nice Outback. How's it going down there, guy?
Cold.
Cold? It's not that cold.
It's because you're not laying on the ground.
It says it's 34 degrees out. New engine over here in the trunk. New headers. It's the radiator. Alright, let's get the engine hoist located. Should just go on to right there. There's also one in the back right over there that we also should hitch on to, but I think we're just going to try to hitch it on and see if the engine moves. Turn up the brightness a little bit. Alright, see if that engine will budge a little. Alright. Alright. Yeah, it should the whole engine moved, so it should come off. We just gotta unhitch all the hoses. All we have left are these hoses here, which we labeled. We have the brake one, and then we have these ones down here for the heater. Which, other than that, I don't see anything else that's connected. We already did all the power steering, the AC, so we got everything off. Yeah. Alright, I guess just unplug those couple hoses and we're good to go. Oh, it's leaking. Making a mess. If we keep them up like that, they shouldn't leak.
Yep. I don't know how you're going to pry that apart. You sure you got them all?
Yeah.
Usually it has 2 pins that are quite long.
Yeah. You can see them on the engine. There's one in the engine.
On the bottom.
Yeah, they're in the bottom. Oh! That don't sound good. You're going to break the plastic.
Want me to wiggle it? Some?
Yep. Oh, so close. Like a millimeter.
Go more?
One more. There you go. Now it should just come straight forward.
Now this is starting to separate, like I said.
Let's put a piece of wood in so it doesn't swing it.
This as a pry bar, but this thing right here doesn't go all the way through, does it?
No, that's just holding the...
This block heavier than the other.
This is where you need that thing that spins the engine 70 feet.
Yeah, I know, I told you before.
Feel it lifting up.
Did you move it at all? Okay, you're getting the pressure off.
Pump it again.
Is it coming apart?
Not on my side. Freddy's side is.
Yeah. There's still a little bit under there.
There's a bolt on the bottom that's holding it.
This?
No, it's a bolt. It goes, no, it's all the way. Yes, that bolt.
No, those just slide out. They're
Alright.
almost there.
You say so.
See?
Okay, but it's going to hit on the way because now the shaft is still in the transmission.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, you got it.
Can you jack it up? I can.
I gotta hold some shit out of the way here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come to me for YouTube.
You're gonna have to transfer this flywheel and everything, huh?
Yep. And this is what was hitting.
Yeah, that's what was hitting.
It had to come up out of there.
One engine out on the stand, other engine in the trunk, you can't see it. But we have to go put them inside because it's going to snow tonight, so we got to definitely get that one in. Over here to the tires. Got the engines inside, getting ready for the snow tomorrow. Go up here. I'm going to go eat something, then I'm going to take this clutch off, put it on there. Because that one came out of an auto car, this one's manual, so you got to swap everything over.
Looks like a video. I think I'm taking a video. You guys stand still for the video.
We already got that one off. Now we just got to get this one and we're done. So we just pulled off the timing thing here. The engine has like 100,000 miles on it and the belt looks brand new, so we're just going to leave it. If it blows up, whatever. But we just pulled it off, made sure it looked alright just before we do all this work on it.